Howdy, 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 everyone. I hope you are having a fantastic, fantastic day. We are on our way to the northwest side of San Antonio, Texas, where we are going to Chicken and Pickle. Chicken and Pickle only has 9 restaurants across the United States, and they're famous for the fact that you eat really good chicken and you play pickleball. Pickleball is a big thing now. Never played it before. Plan on trying it today.
Not going to start today.
Tina's not going to start. I am going to start. We're going to a birthday party, and there's going to be a tournament, and there's going to be practicing, and there's going to be all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to give it a try. We'll see how good I am. I will say that I handle a ping pong paddle pretty good, and I used to play tennis. So hopefully this all transitions well to one another. So, and then we're going to try some of their food, which supposedly is good. Lots of chicken. So if you like fried chicken, you like to play pickleball, this is a place for you. So let's head on over. Here we go, walking in. This is the entrance. Chicken and Pickle, Monday through Thursday, 11 a.m., 10 p.m. Looks like pickleball's till 11 p.m. also. You can see tonight they're open till midnight for the drinks and the pickleball. Look at that. Got some fires going out here. Quite the atmosphere. National Margarita Day they're celebrating. This place is bumping. We are heading into the courts. We are 7 and 8 is our course. All right, here we are indoors. It is chilly over here. I see Brianna over there. You can see we got the chicken pickle going here. So we're gonna do a little tour video here. You can see we got shuffleboard, which is kind of cool, and we got bowling pins set up. It's called fouling. Yes. You can see we set the pins up, and we take a football and we chuck it into the bowling pins. Never saw this sport before. And then here we got more outdoor pickleball courts. This complex is rather large. It's got lots of seating. We got TVs out here. We got fires going over there because it's kind of chilly out today. So we got fires going. This is really nice. And then you can see they have a stage up there. It looks like where it says Chicken and Pickle San Antonio, that looks like a stage. So they probably do have some like live music and stuff going on here. So we walked in the main area here. This looks like this is just like a eatery and bar. We got a TV here. Music's very loud, so I hope you can hear me. So just picnic tables to sit at. Then we got the menu up here. It's really nice in here, yeah.
With a name like Chicken and Pickle, you better have chicken and you better have some pickles. And they definitely do that. Their menu's dominated by chicken. Chicken salads, like Bill's chicken salad. They have rotisserie chicken. In their classic salad, the skinny cob has chicken in it. Bill's chicken has fried chicken. So pretty much any type of chicken you want, you can get. So I'm gonna go with I think the NKC hot chicken. It's got the hot sauce, the slaw, and the chicken breast. And we gotta get some pickles too. So we'll get the fried pickles.
So you can see we got another whole room here. This room looks like it's rented out. It's a whole birthday party going on. You can see we got another bar over there. We have a buffet here. We have ping pong tables and foosball tables. A couple foosball tables. Televisions, more seating, really cool. We got mine and Tina's universities here. Texas A&M and Baylor. They have an elevator here if you want to go upstairs, and we're gonna hop upstairs real quick and see what's up here. I think there was like a bar or something up at the top here that you could look down on everything. So let's take a peek at this. Oh, we got more seating up here. The whole nether area you can rent out. Another bar upstairs. Look how cool that is. And then out here we got more seating. You can look. Oh yeah, look at those. Nice heaters. Keeping it nice and warm up here. This is really nice. Here we got an overlook of the whole area here. All chicken pickle. Kids running everywhere. It's a really nice complex. It's true. It needs to be a little bit warmer out, but it is pretty cool here. This would be a fun place to have a party or just hang out on a Saturday night. You can bring your dogs here. Dogs are welcome if they're kept on a leash, well behaved, not aggressive. Do not get on tables and chairs, are left unattended. You got to pick up their droppings, and you're responsible for your dog. And they cannot bark. Oh, look at those puppies. They're cuties. And then here we have the pickleball indoor courts. And this is where we were before. This is courts 5 through 10. Ready, so we ordered some food here, and you can see I got the Nashville hot chicken sandwich with some tater tots, and Gabby's eating those. And Gabby got some mac and cheese. Is that what that is? What's it called?
Elote mac and cheese.
What is it called?
Elote mac and cheese.
Elote mac and cheese. And then Tina got some fried pickles.
And double eggs.
And then we got deviled eggies. Look at those. Look how good they look. Yum, yum. All right, so there's the inside of that. That's a really good deviled egg. It's got a little bit of sweetness in it. It's got a little pop, a little heat. It's got bacon on top. It's really good. It's actually burning my lips a little bit. It's definitely a mayonnaise-based deviled egg, but it's delicious. The mac and cheese is really good. I would say, though, it's a little bland. Eat some spice or some salt. The fried pickles, absolutely delicious. Crunchy on the outside. Ranch dressing's good. Those are really good. So this sandwich is actually really good. It has a really spicy Nashville hot sauce on it. It's pickles and lettuce. Crunchy chicken, very good. I would say this compares very well to any chicken sandwich that I've had. So my teammate here got the Chipotle chicken bowl. Look how fresh that looks. Jalapenos are fresh, not cans. That looks absolutely delicious. So we have discovered that this is the last fork in the whole building. Literally.
Her salad with a spoon.
Chelsea's, I'm not going to show her why she's eating, but take my word. Oh, there she is. She is literally eating with a spoon. And look at her go. She's really good at it. And look at that. That's the last fork, y'all. Use your forks wisely here. Alrighty, so I am going to be partnering with Brianna in the tournaments.
I didn't know you were videoing.
Yeah, she didn't know we were videoing. I surprised her. I don't know what she was doing there. Well, whatever. I'm partnering with Brianna, and we're playing a very good team. So I think we're going to be
One and done.
being kicked out pretty quickly from this game. But we're going to give it all we got. We're going to give everything we got. We came out of the losers bracket, and now we're gonna play again. So here we go. Match number 3 tonight, 1-1, Brianna and I, coming out of the losers bracket.
So I would definitely say that Chicken and Pickle is a place to come visit. If you want to have a good time, lots of things to do. If you bring a lot of friends out here, you can have a really good time. The food is good. Everyone's really nice. The service is good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You know we love you guys. We'll see you next time. Live problem free. Bye.